Hello, welcome to Learn English with Fatima. Today I have a brand new phrasal verb video for you. Phrasal verbs are a verb and a preposition that are tricky to know the meaning of without looking them up. There are so many phrasal verbs in English, it can be hard to know where to start. You can try 3 different techniques: learning them by their common verb, by their common preposition, or learning them as you come across them. Today, I'm going to use the first method, learning them by their verb. I've picked the verb put, which is to move or place something in a particular position. I've picked 15 different phrasal verbs with put in them. Each phrasal verb can have multiple meanings. I've tried to cover the most common one for each verb. Our first phrasal verb is to put aside. To put aside is to save or keep something for later, usually money, but not always. I put aside some money from my paycheck each week to pay for my vacation. Or we can use to put aside as to ignore something negative. We put aside our issues with the meeting so we could finish the project. To put away. To put away is to return something to where it goes. I put my books away so we could use the table. It's also another way to talk about saving money. I put some money away for retirement. To put back. To put back is another way to say to return something to where it goes. I put back the shoes I took from the closet. To put back can also mean to delay progress. The issues with the phones have put our project back a couple weeks. To put behind. To put behind is to forget or ignore something negative or unpleasant. I'm going to put this whole situation behind me and focus on the future. Or we could say, she was able to put behind her fears about failing and try something new. To put down. To put down is to insult someone. No one wanted to be near him. All he had to say were put downs. To put down can also mean to write or note something. Let me put down all of the notes on the board, and then I'll leave class. To put down can also mean to stop carrying something and place it elsewhere. Let me put down these boxes, and I'll answer the door. To put forward. To put forward is to schedule at an earlier time. The meeting was supposed to be at 11, but we put it forward an hour to make time for lunch. To put forward can also mean to nominate someone for something. I'd like to put John forward for the manager position. I think he'll do well. To put forward can mean to nominate an idea. Let's put forward Sarah's plan. It's the one that works best for everyone. To put in. To put in can mean to install. I put in new floors last week. Doesn't it look great in here? To put in can mean to invest time, money, or effort in something. If you put in enough work, the project will be done on time. If everyone in the office put in $5 for lunch, we could get pizza. To put off. To put off can mean to delay. She kept putting off a visit to the dentist, and now she has cavities. To put off can mean to cause someone to feel dislike or disgust for something. The smell of the rotten fish in the fridge has put me off my dinner. To put on. To put on can mean to dress. If you want to go for a walk, let me put on different shoes. To put on can also mean to host or present. The local film club is putting on a movie about penguins. To put on can mean to gain weight. The actor put on 30 pounds for the role in the movie. To put on can also mean to apply something to something else. It takes her forever to put on her makeup in the morning. To put out. To put out can mean to extinguish something. Put out that cigarette. There's no smoking allowed in here. To put out can mean to get something ready for use. Dinner's done. Can you put out the plates? To put out can mean to issue or release something. I really hope my favorite group puts out a new album this year. To put through. To put through can mean to subject someone to an unpleasant experience. I can't believe they put me through 3 hours of that speech. To put through can mean to pay for someone to go to school. My parents are putting me through college so that I don't have to work. To put through can mean to connect someone via phone. Yes, Mr. Jones is in his office. I'll put your call through. To put together. To put together is to connect parts to make something whole. I bought a new desk, but I still have to put it together. To put together can mean to form a group or a team. He put together the best people for the job. To put together can mean to form a group of ideas. I've put together a 5-step plan to get us more money. To put towards. To put towards is to spend or contribute money for something. My roommates and I each put $50 towards a new TV for the house. To put up. To put up is to house someone temporarily. My friend is putting me up while I look for a new apartment. To put up can mean to build or erect something. I'll put up the tent while you build the fire. To put up can mean to display a notice. They put up a sign in the bakery stating everything was half price. To put up with. To put up with is to tolerate something or someone. I have to put up with the noise while they build a new house next door. Ugh, I had to put up with my sister complaining about the weather all weekend. What do you think of this list I've put together? Are you ready to put it behind you? What other groups of phrasal verbs would you like me to put you through? Thanks for watching, everyone. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this one, and check out my channel for more grammar and vocabulary lessons. See you next time!